Hey planner peeps, thank you for coming to my channel. Today I would like to share with you a plan with me that I'm doing using leftover sticker kits in my Hobonichi Cousin. So grab your favorite beverage and let's get started. Now guys, I really need to gush over this beautiful kit that I got from the Glam Planner. Like I said at the beginning of my Hobonichi journey, that I was going to be using a lot of my leftover stickers because I kind of was a sticker hoarder and I have way too many, and thumbs up this video for all you sticker hoarders out there. But I finally broke out all my stickers and decided to deco my planner up. Now, if you're going to use an Erin Condren kit in a Hobonichi Cousin, you know that you have to cut down the stickers because the columns are a little bit smaller. I have a video on that and I will leave a link for that if you're interested on how all the many ways that you can make an Erin Condren sticker kit fit into a Hobonichi Cousin. For me, my planning style is completely changing, guys. I love stickers, but I'm really happy with my Hobonichi, and I just don't like that many stickers in my Hobonichi because it is a book bound planner. It's bound, and I don't like it to get that fat and then the binding to come undone. So I decided to change the way I plan and use less stickers, and I am going to be uploading those type of plan with me's. If you guys are interested, please let me know in the comments below, and stick around, hit that subscribe button so that way you could see the different styles of planning that I've done in the past and will do in the future. But yeah, this kit is so cute, you guys. Look at these pretty pastel colors. And this kit was actually used, I used this a while back in March sometime because it had been raining that week and I really wanted to emphasize and celebrate the rain. And these colors are perfect for spring, like the pastel pinks and blues and purples. So I really had fun just decorating this week up, and I wanted to share it. I couldn't just not post it, especially because I was trying to use a lot of the deco, and I don't usually use a lot of deco. Look at this, is a leftover kit, and look how many deco stickers I had. But this kit was so pretty, partly because I was hoarding it, but also because it doesn't rain a lot, and I didn't know if I was going to use it for not raining days just because I liked it. I don't know. Do you guys get that overthinking? Hashtag overthinkers. If you guys are overthinkers, please give a thumbs up to this video for all my overthinkers out there. But yeah, I'm totally laying down lots of deco, and I never use double box stickers, but this one was so pretty I had to use it. So I really like how it came out in the end. It does look so pretty, mainly because of all of the deco. They're just so pretty. Look at those little cute raindrops. All I do in my weekly pages is I write out my projects and things that I want to accomplish, like productivity for that week. So my weekly pages in my Hobonichi Cousin are all about things that I want to get done, projects, tasks, anything like that. If you're interested in how I use the Hobonichi Cousin, let me know in the comments below, and then hit that subscribe button. I will be doing a future video on that. But then I just fill everything in, and that's basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy planning. Bye everyone.